We now move to the next category of sports. I request Rotarian Shankar Narayan to introduce the winner.
Okay.
Shankar.
Yeah, I'm just coming. Yeah, unmuted myself. Yeah. Hello again. And as a part of Guru Dakshine core team, it's my pleasure to announce the first Guru Dakshine Award for Teaching Excellence in Sports category to Mr. Rudresh. All the winners of this year Guru Dakshine Awards are all worthy in their respective field. And I'm actually lucky to get an opportunity to introduce the next awardee, Mr. Rudresh, in the sports category, as sports is one of my favorite subjects. The first thing that stuck about Mr. Rudresh was his commitment to the school for which he is working or rendering services. Sri Jayabharati Cooperative School at Attibele. He has been serving this school for the last 32 years and is very proud of this achievement. And of course, we are also very proud, sir, for your commitment for the school. Mr. Rudresh was a middle distance runner practicing at the Mangala Stadium in Mangalore. And he has been very, very lucky to have practiced with the likes of Olympians P.T. Usha and Ashwini Nachappa. Well, that's wow. He used to have the warm-up sessions and warm-down sessions with these two stalwarts of Indian athletics. And they shared the common coach, Sri J.M. Appachu, whom he would always remember and thank for whatever he is today. I had a chance to talk to a few of his students, and according to his words, Rani Shweta, who was the state champion in hammer throw, says that Mr. Rudresh was one who instilled confidence and self-belief in her when she was very nervous during the state championships, and he made her believe that she can go on to win the championship. What moved me was Shweta Rani was in tears when she recollected that moment when she shared it with me. According to another student, Archana, she mentioned that he was a very good trainer and Mr. Rudresh was a very good motivator too and used to take care of children as if they were his own. The children were at complete ease and felt safe when he was around. And she mentioned that Mr. Rudresh used to equally encourage the children to study as well as involve them in sports. Another student, V. Murthy, who was a district level champion in discus throw and was also a 200-meter runner. Mr. Rudresh was a very strict disciplinarian and also very punctual and used to be at the school to train the students as early as 5 a.m. every day morning and was the last to leave at about 6:30 p.m. And for all the needy sports person, Mr. Rudresh used to get them various fruits, eggs, milk to help them build their strength. After hearing from his students, actually gave me goosebumps and what more a sports coach needs when his trainees appreciates his contribution in their respective lives. Mr. Rudresh is very proud that many of his wards have represented the state in the National Athletic Championship and have won laurels for the state. Apart from being a passionate sports coach, Mr. Rudresh starts the classes for the children with pranayama and yoga, which he says inculcates the basic discipline amongst the children. And I'm proud to inform you that we are honoring a person who has been a referee in the World Athletic Games, as well as being a regular referee for most of the national games. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to Mr. Rudresh for being the first winner of Guru Dakshine Award for Teaching in Sports category. And please give Mr. Rudresh a very warm round of applause. Over to Kashi.
Thank you, Shankar. Thank you. Congratulations, Rudresh, sir. So I request Sri Ravindra Bhatt, sir, to do the honors and virtually hand over the citation.
ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು ರುದ್ರೇಶ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ರೋಟರಿ ಗುರುದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡು 2021 ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ರುದ್ರೇಶ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Thank you, sir. So, Rudresh, sir, I would like to request you to say a few words.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Very good morning to everybody. Myself, H. Rudresh, working as a grade 1 physical education teacher, Sri Jayabharati Cooperative High School, Anekal, Bangalore District, Karnataka. Honorable, respected Chairman sir and members, jury of committee, and also RDG committee. Award honored Rotary Bangalore Southeast and Rotary Bangalore Spandana, Rotary Bangalore Kalyan and teams, Rotary Bangalore and teams. Guest of honor, dignitary of Sri Dais, those who are attended this function. So today in this function, I'm very happy to receive the Guru Dakshina Award. It is hard for me to put this feeling in words. I am thrilled to extend my words into speech. On such a momentous of my life, I feel very grateful for recognizing my work. I would like to thank those who are helping me or supporting me. I thank you, one and all. Thank you, sir. Over to Kashi, sir.
Congratulations, sir. Thanks for winning this award.